To label the lines, you can come in and click on the drafting tab. You can click the lines command, which is going to be the basically the label lines command. You're going to set the style. Again, pick a layer. You can set a max or a minimum length. So if any lines are shorter, let's say than 10 feet, what it'll do is it won't label it, but it'll you'll be able to use that in a tag, and you can add those small segments to a table. And we'll talk about tables in the next chapter, but you can add small segments or short segments to an actual table. Then it asks you to select a segment to label. So I can either pick a line and it'll label them all. So if I was to come in here and pick this line here, which would be this line string, and click add, you'll see that I get labels on all of those. If I was to come over here and just pick a single segment and pick on this line, you'll see that it labels just that line. Again, you can modify the properties by selecting on the label and control some of the ways that the label's being displayed.